Hi, Chuck Fresh, the PCGYN, with your computer care clinic tip of the day. But this one has nothing to do with computers. Wanted to take a look at water. Do you know what's in the water you drink? We picked this guy up the other day. We used Brita filters for a while, but found out that the taste and the quality of the Brita water was too much different than the refrigerated filtered water. So wanted to give this ZeroWater unit a quick little test and see what it does. So basically what the whole thing is something called TDS, or the number or the quantity of TDS, or total dissolved solids, in your water. And this company is saying that ZeroWater can get you down next to almost nothing, where bottled water is just about a little bit over that. And they show these little test tube things, and your tap water is all the way up to 128. We found it was probably a little bit more, and that's parts per million total dissolved solids. We're talking about lead, mercury, chromium, all kinds of nasty things that you probably don't want in your body. So let's see what it does. So in the package they give you this, I think it's a 10-cup pitcher, and they give you a filter, a starter filter, which I think is just a general regular old filter, and they give you this thing. It's actually a meter that will test what your total dissolved solids are in each one of these water samples. And it tells you to get rid of it when it reaches just about 0.006, which is incredibly low. So what I've done is done 3 glasses of water here. I've mixed them up randomly. One of them is Dasani. One is refrigerator tap water from our Samsung refrigerator, which has a fairly new filter installed. And then the third one is a sample of the ZeroWater. And we'll take the TDS readings from each one of them, and then we'll have a taste test to see if the if the super critical boss can tell the difference between them. All right, first one is the Dasani. That's about 0.23, and this is purified water, so they've gone ahead and filtered this. That's about 0.23, and this is the fridge water. I'll mix it up a little bit. Total dissolved solids are anywhere between 260, and the highest reading I got is about 340. With the total dissolved solids, they kind of fall to the ground because they're heavier than the water, so you got to mix it up to get a real good reading. So we're somewhere in the mid 3s. All right, shake that off, and this is the ZeroWater. And we're reading about just a 0.0 to 0.1, which is pretty amazing if this thing's telling the truth. The more important thing is, well, the most important thing is not having junk in your water, but the second most important thing is, what do they taste like? And I'm going to get my super taster down here, my professional taste person, and we'll see if she can tell the difference. All right, this is my professional taster person. I want you to take a sip of each one of those glasses and then tell me which one is your favorite, if you can even tell the difference. That's Exhibit A. Take a good sip, swirl it around a little bit. I promise none of them are poison, and none of them are vodka. All right, that's one. Let's try number 2. Water's delicious, isn't it? Such a wonderful taste. Olivia Black, ladies and gentlemen, world famous author. Buy her book, liveblack.com. Which one did you pick?
I would say this is the cleanest, purest water.
Okay, that's your pick for the cleanest. Which one's nastiest?
This one's bottled.
You think?
And this one's fridge.
You mean the ZeroWater?
No, filtered water.
That's fridge filtered water?
Yeah.
All right.
This tastes the purest.
So that's A. You think A tastes the purest?
I think so.
Try them one more time.
There's something to this one.
What, the second one bothers you?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Not enough taste?
No, it's got a taste. It's not.
Yeah.
It's not pure.
All right. This is C.
This one's good, but this one tastes.
That's your best one?
Yes.
All right, do you want to know what you picked?
Yes.
Cup A is Dasani. So you like Dasani, which had 0.022 total dissolved solids, parts per million. B, the one you thought was nasty, is fridge water with the fridge filter.
Really?
And C is the ZeroWater. That's the cleanest of them all, with 0.001 total dissolved solids. Now, Dasani does add some stuff to their water. I think they add salt or manganese, or I don't know what's in it.
The fridge water was the worst one.
It is the worst one. Well, it's got the most dissolved solid. That's the most junk in it.
And there you have it, folks.
There you have it. Is it groovy? I don't know, go out and check it out for yourself. These things sell for about, actually we got it on sale for roughly $30, which included the filter and man, for a total dissolved filter meter, I think that's worth it itself. So get yourself one of these guys. There'll be a link on our website where you can buy one online, and try it for yourself. Try the ZeroWater taste test. And we're not paid, or ZeroWater didn't give us anything. This is a total independent review. Chuck Fresh, the PCGYN, is the Computer Care Clinic's tip of the day.